Hey kids, I've got my bathing suit on, and today we're headed to the beach. Want to come along?
Let's go!
Awesome, let's go. I can't wait to see all the amazing things we'll discover together. The blue ocean waves crash gently onto the sandy shore. The tall palm trees sway in the cool ocean breeze. Seagulls fly high above, looking for a tasty fish to eat. Wow, look at them fly. Colorful seashells are scattered all over the warm sand. Beautiful seashells. Crabs scurry quickly across the wet sand, digging little holes. Quick little guy. Yee-hee. The slow turtles crawl over the sandy beach, heading toward the sparkling sea. Slow turtles. An enormous whale swims gracefully through the deep blue ocean. Wow, that thing is huge. A group of playful dolphins jump in and out of the water. Looks like so much fun. Colorful fish dart through the coral reef, their bright scales adding even more color to their vibrant homes. A shark glides silently through the deep blue ocean, its sharp fins cutting through the water. That's a big shark. Ooh. A manta ray soars gracefully through the ocean, its wide wings gliding like a bird in the sky. The bird of the ocean. The children built a giant sandcastle near the sparkling water. That looks like so much fun. Starfish cling to the rocks, waiting for the tide to come in. Hold on for dear life, little starfish. People gather on the beach, building sandcastles and laughing under the warm sun. What a relaxing day at the beach. Well, kids, that was an awesome beach adventure. We saw so many cool things and had so much fun. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. Until next time, keep exploring and enjoying the nature around you. Bye-bye.